So the cam before the plot, as I call it. So what you're after doing is, right from the start, just taking stock here, you're after bringing out your data, even though it's a CSV file, it actually comes back as a text file object. You use the reader method then to access this text file object and turn it into kind of CSV stuff. But this is an iterable. That's only a variable name, by the way. I could have called it whatever I want. But basically I'm trying to get across here that you can iterate through this. But what you need to do to permanently access this stuff is kind of cast it to a list. Then when you bring down the data here, you need to split it up and put it into two different lists. One distances, one times. And as we go on there, we need to slice off the heads. And then we need to convert the data into numbers. As you see, when I printed it out the last time, I got both sets of data. I'm again going to just comment these out for testing purposes. And let's run this again now and see, are we down to what we have? So perfect. Now we should have corresponding data there. Like after 1 meter it took 2 seconds. After 10 meters it took 20.1 seconds. And in the next video we're gonna plot this in what I know is Julie just did, the cam before the plot.